Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix unable to join the Wi-Fi network error on iPhone or iPad. Solution 1. Reset network settings. This process will reset your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings. To do this, launch Settings app. Next, find and tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, tap Reset Network Settings to confirm the process. Solution 2. Turn off and on airplane mode. Open Control Center on your iPhone. Turn on airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and turn it off back. Solution 3. Reboot your iPhone. To reboot, launch Settings app. Next, tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Shutdown. Drag the slide to power off slider to right side to turn off your device. Wait for a few seconds and turn your device back on. Solution 4. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Unplug your Wi-Fi router from power source and wait for some time. Then plug it back to power source and try again. Solution 5. Check for software update. For that, open Settings app. Next, tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If any update is available, download and install it. Solution 6. Force restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 series and iPhone SE second and third generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 7. Reset all settings. To do this, navigate to Settings. Next, find and tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, tap Reset all settings. Again, tap Reset all settings to confirm the process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.